In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PowerPoint found a problem with content in your PPTX file error. This might sound like a frustrating issue, but don't worry. We can typically resolve it with a few straightforward steps, and in just about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First, we need to open the Microsoft PowerPoint app. This is our starting point, and it's essential since we'll be working within PowerPoint itself to solve this issue. Make sure you have the app installed and updated on your device. Outdated versions can sometimes lead to compatibility issues that cause errors. So check for any available updates if you haven't updated your software in a while. Once you've launched PowerPoint, the next thing you want to do is select the document that is exhibiting the error message. Navigate to the file within PowerPoint and open it. At times, simply attempting to open the file within the app can itself fix minor glitches. But for persistent errors, we need to employ some additional strategies. With your document open, move to the top menu bar and click on Insert. This is where we'll start incorporating slides from another file, which often resolves the issues hiding within problematic presentations. You can find the Insert tab easily at the top, among other options like Home, Design, and so on. From there, select New Slide, and in the drop-down that appears, choose Reused Slides. This is a handy feature that allows you to bring slides from different presentations into the one you're currently working on, effectively replacing corrupted files with fresh copies. Once you've clicked Reused Slides, another menu will pop up, at which point you'll need to click on Browse. This step allows you to access your files and pick the correct presentation that you need to integrate your slides from. If you have trouble finding the file, try organizing your folders by date or name in the file browser to locate it more easily. The final step involves selecting the specific slides you want to reuse from the file you browsed. Carefully check and incorporate the ones you need. This process effectively creates a new file structure that can bypass the underlying problem causing the error. Save your newly created document once you've added all the necessary slides. By following these steps, you should be able to swiftly resolve the issue, allowing you to continue your work without interruption. Remember, this solution is designed to maintain the integrity of your content while dodging common pitfalls that lead to file corruption. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you confidently tackle PowerPoint errors in the future.